Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to create a typeface text effect like this in Inkscape. So let's get started. First open your Inkscape, go to file, go to document properties and deselect this show page border. Now pick up the text tool and type ATSQ. I'm gonna go with this, you can go with anything. Pick up your text menu, open your text menu and go to Montserrat. The font I'm gonna use. And the font weight I'm gonna go with will be ultra bold. Click apply. So after this, just select this font, hold Ctrl and Shift and drag it diagonally to increase the size of the font. After increasing the size of the font, just pick up the rectangle tool and hold Ctrl and Shift and create a square. Try to create a square of the size bigger than any word, any character of this word we have just wrote. Okay, so now just zoom out, hold Control and just use your mouse wheel to zoom out of the document. Now what I'm gonna do is just select this text and just go to part and object to part. After going to object to part, what I'm gonna do is ungroup every element within this. It is a group of 6 objects, you can see. Just you can use Ctrl+Shift+G to ungroup it, or you can just click this icon and it will ungroup all of these. Now deselect this and select one element, hold Ctrl and drag it to the right. Just select all these. Now just select this align menu and I'm gonna distribute all of these by using this. Distribute them equally. Now just zoom it between these. Now what I'm gonna do is pick up your Bezier tool. I'm gonna pick up my Bezier tool and what I'm gonna do is just create some objects above this, trying to break it in a way that I like. And I'm gonna select this by clicking the button again, that node again, and joining it to complete an object. Now just fill it with any color. Now I will just select these two by holding and pressing shift and selecting the other element. Now I'm gonna go to part and I'm gonna go to division and I will divide it into 2 parts. Similar process will be done with all of these parts. Again I will repeat this. You can go in any manner you want. Okay, part, division. Again I'm gonna pick this and gonna go with this, fill any color in it and just select this, go to part and division, select this again, select this again, go with this. Oh, first fill color in it, select this, go to part, division. Just see, now these tools are broken into two different parts. Now what I'm gonna do is select both of these by pressing and holding shift and go to part and combine these into one. Now I'm gonna again go to Bezier tool and create some more parts. Just go to select tool and now select these two again and go to part and go to division again. Now I'm again going to go to Bezier tool, select this, it like this and go to this. Now again I'm gonna go with this, go to part and division again. Now select these 2 parts again and go to part and go to combine again. Yeah, combining it. Now just zoom out of it. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to select this and open my fill menu, color and fill menu. And what I'm gonna do, I'm going to pick up this pattern. Okay, yeah, from here. Now after doing this, I'm going to go with this pattern fills types 1:1 ratio. Okay, now pick up your node tool. Now drag it towards the X. Drag it towards the X to lower the distance between all of the types we have in between. or just select your select tool. Now double click it, you will get rotation handles. Now hold control and just try to rotate it like it makes an it just turns around to be at a 45-degree angle. Okay, now just what I'm gonna do is just keep in mind that this is a pattern. It's not an object anymore. We have filled a pattern in between it, so we cannot change its color directly. If I try to change it, it will just make it like this. It will fill the color in it, not change the pattern's color. Or I cannot even do it with this. I can not change its fill color also. Okay, by pressing shift and just trying to pick up a color. See, I changed the color but nothing happened to this. A stroke has been added to the object but nothing happened. Just I will unset this stroke. What I'm gonna do is select this object and go to just first what I'm gonna do, just select this element and I'm gonna fill this color into it, and I will go to fill menu and copy its color code. Copying its color code. Now select this item, go to extension and go to color and replace color. Place color, I will just put this color here and go to live preview. See, its color change. Click apply and click close. Now what I'm gonna do is duplicate this. After duplicating this, send it to back. Okay, send it to push it to back. Now what I'm gonna do, just rotate it here, just put it behind, select this and press shift and select this also. Go to object and clip and set. I guess this is done. We are done here. Now duplicate it again and I'm going to repeat this process again and again. Just send it back or make it here, select this board, go to object and clip and set. Again repeat the same process. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D, or you can duplicate it from here also. Now just send it back again, just make it like this. Select this object, select this and go to object and clip and set. Again duplicate this, send it to back and make it like this, and select this and go to object, clip, set. Again duplicated, go take it here, send it to back, select these two and go to object, clip, set. Again now we don't need to duplicate it, just send it back. After sending it back, select these two, go to object, clip and set. And I guess we are done here. Now what are we gonna do is just select these elements, select this, select this, select this, select this, select this and select this, and I'm gonna fill it with the color. I am gonna first take this red color, okay, from here, and I'm gonna duplicate it by Ctrl D, duplicating those again, and fill them with, I guess, what color should I fill them with? I will fill them with this blue color. I guess this works. Now what I'm gonna do, so I will fill it with red only. Fill it with red. This works. Send it to back and deselect all of these. Select these again by pressing and holding shift. Select this, select this, select this, select this, select this, and just go to blue color. Now pick up a blue color, pick up your blue color and just you can just slide it down from here. Okay, slide it down and like this, slide it diagonally, it's your wish. I will just deselect these options from top and slide it down here. You can even use your arrow keys. First I'm trying to show you like this. Just drag it from here, you can see this worked, or you can just do this again, but this time using keyboard arrows. Okay, I will just slide it a little bit right and just slide it a little bit down, and I guess this is done. So guys, this is how you create typographic style text effects like this. So hope you liked it. Like, comment, ask me anything in the comment box if you want to ask me anything. So like, subscribe. See you again, guys.